Bitcoin Tower, the first one in the world, will be built in Dubai. So what is the commitment here? The commitment to celebrating the importance of notoriety and values of Bitcoin has led to the creation of the new hotel chain in the shape of the king of cryptocurrencies. The hotel chain also embraces new technologies of blockchain and artificial intelligence with attention to material, sustainability, and zero carbon emissions consumption, inspired by the upcoming COP28 summit in Dubai. How's it going? What's up? What's happening? Blessed, beautiful souls. Kiara Cass here today with the Crypto Blue Show. What's up and what's happening, beautiful souls? Thanks for being here. Appreciate it. Welcome back to the channel. And thank you very much to all my beautiful 670 subscribers. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. We've been pumping and making some things happen. Guys, my phone had a crazy collapse yesterday or 2 days ago. So I had to spend the day fixing and restoring it yesterday. And it has only finished downloading this morning. But I don't want to waste any time on this video because I want to get straight to the point. You guys have seen the title in the thumbnail. Of course, I am here to share with you exactly what's going on in the market there and what this is all about. So let's not waste any time. Guys, today the crypto market cap and the crypto index is very, very simple. Let's just go and have a quick look at it. 1.19 trillion. I'm not going to go through all the coins right now because I actually did record this video and it was about 22 minutes, but now I'm going to squeeze it and make sure that it's 5-6 minutes at the most here, guys. So 28 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is holding above 27 and Ethereum is holding above 19, which is wonderful. Now, guys, in this video here, I did speak about manipulation and how the Fed manipulates and how certain institutions actually manipulate the market and the numbers, and the Fed really is pushing this crazy thing. Because if you guys remember, Mr. Jerome Powell actually said that they were going to do everything to crush the economy and make sure that inflation stays low and goes lower, right? Which essentially means that what they've done now is they are looking at the market in a very, very strange way, because the manipulation is coming in from different numbers. I remember him being absolutely scrutinized in the conference after, and in when they go and do the court kind of conversations in front of the public, and it's recorded. That is exactly where he was scrutinized even more, and he couldn't really say much, and he got bombed in Parliament. We call it Parliament here in South Africa. I'm not sure what I can't remember the name of what the Americans call it anymore. But guys, this is interesting because he was basically saying that what they're going to do is they're going to make sure that unemployment basically increases and inflation decreases. That's what was going to happen. So very interesting here how unemployment, having a higher percentage of unemployment rate is completely opposite the direction of the interest rate, right? That means the more people are in the market making money, the more people are spending money. That creates the inflationary environment. Well, besides for that, they're taking the money that the Fed has basically printed to do that with. So the circulation and the velocity of money is very important, and you should go and learn a little bit more about that on Google. Guys, thank you for being here. Really, if you guys want to trade some Bybit with me, please make sure to hit the Bybit in the description link down below, and that will give you a $30,000 deposit bonus. So I wanted to say to you, yes, in that video that I was talking about here on the channel, this video here, I did speak about the unemployment rate, and as we can see, that was their forecast. Then this was their unemployment report. Then basically this was the previous one. So they nearly smashed it by 150K, okay? Whereas here they smashed this number here by about 130K odd, okay, which is very interesting because they said that unemployment was increasing, but here it's actually increasing by 150K. So their numbers and their forecasts that are coming in manipulates how the chart works and flows, and that essentially manipulates people's this, okay? So boom, that's what manipulates this. So I would be patient and I would wait for the 14th of June, which will be the next Federal Reserve minutes. Sorry, I think it was the 14th of June. Federal scheduling meeting, 14th of July. Okay, so we've got to wait for the 14th of July, excuse me. And we got to see what happens there and what will go down at that meeting. So let us go and have a look at what you guys have. Which essentially shows me, here's the manipulation of the dollar, right? So here's the 4-hour chart on the dollar. Boom. I said to you guys that we would be pulling back and retracing at this level. The RSI was overbought, oversold. Boom, smashed, right? So we could just retrace up to there and then collapse and then find some support on the 200, because since the breakout down here, we actually haven't retested that 200 just yet. And most likely, if it is going to get any bullish action, it will stay above it, test it, and continue the flow upwards. So if that is the case, then there is going to be a very strong dollar coming in. But if you have a look at Bitcoin dominance right now, you can see, guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel, please, if you're enjoying this. I want to share so much news with you, and you guys will just be patient with me. I'm going to show you the video now at the end, or the article now at the end, that you all will love, especially for all my Cryptopian friends up there in Dubai. Thank you all. Really appreciate you all, and really so excited to be part of this community with you all and do some amazing stuff. So Bitcoin dominance fell below where it needed to fall. The EMA has crossed. The daily is kind of resting there, but we have one level of support, second level of support here right now. So could we retrace a little bit, because the RSI is coming to the oversold perspective? So that would mean that money will start flowing back into Bitcoin at this point if we do kind of reevaluate. Yeah, if that happens, guys, I do see a very much strong bullish action, because we would retest at least this level up here, which would be the 47.9, 48% level. Okay, so let us go and have a quick squiz of the Bitcoin chart, and then we will take a look at the end of the video, the most exciting part of this whole video. So let's go to Bitstamp. That's the chart I want. Guys, on the weekly time frame, boom, I'm going to tell you right now, look at that candle, look at that candle. It's another doji forming. We are about to close this week tomorrow, about 28, or maybe a bit longer, about 30 hours until we close this candle. Closes in green, that's going to be sharp, guys. We will, because it didn't break the low and it broke the high, we will be going up. I'm telling you right now. So do not hesitate to get into Bitcoin at this point. We might have one more flick down, but it will be very short-lived, guys. Make no mistake. But in my personal view, if I go and look at this on the daily is telling us we are going to hover sideways in capitulation or consolidation at this level here right now. So here are our between this level and the green zone is where I would say that our level would be, and at the absolute most up here. So that's quite a trading zone, honestly. And if we traded in that zone for a little while until the 14th of July, that would still be okay. Honestly, that's an 8% move every single time, 10x leverage. You know, that's 80% trade every couple of days. So yeah, well, if it does that kind of move every couple of days, which I don't believe so, but yeah. So right now, let's go and have a look at what you've been waiting for. So right here, right now, this is what I want to show you. To all the Dubai friends out there, Cryptopians, let's have a look here. First look at the Bitcoin Tower in Dubai, Dev Shares initial design. Real estate developer Salvatore Leggero said the tower would have a virtual version of the metaverse. How amazing! Okay, so basically, I don't want to read the article to you right now, but just in short, this article is going to be a Bitcoin building. It would be nice if it could look something like this. That would be absolutely amazing. Designed with the B in the middle as well. And actually, if you see that, that's like the new symbol for the dollar, right? We're here to replace the dollar, and it looks like the Bitcoin the Bitcoin logo, excuse me. So that's where they're building it. So that would be absolutely amazing to see how they do this, guys. But I do believe that we are about to see something incredible happen here in Dubai, and this will be launched in a little while. So here is another article set to be built in Dubai. So it's not a very long article, but guys, Bitcoin Tower, the first one in the world, will be built in Dubai. So what is the commitment here? The commitment to celebrating the importance of notoriety and values of Bitcoin has led to the creation of the new hotel chain in the shape of the king of cryptocurrencies. The hotel chain also embraces new technologies of blockchain and artificial intelligence with attention to material sustainability, and zero carbon emissions consumption, inspired by the upcoming COP28 summit in Dubai. Now, if you go and look at this is what they're basically saying in very short and sweet. We will receive many inputs from the community because Bitcoin Tower must be an open project like what Satoshi Nakamoto teaches us. He added that having a DAO seemed very natural and for the project because decentralizing decision-making contributes to making an electric experience for the future, right? Lightning Network, Bitcoin. So we don't know what it will look like, but it's very likely that it could end up looking a little bit more like the Bitcoin logo. And yeah, that's pretty much interesting, right? So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Please remember to like, subscribe, and share my content. And of course, remember that Bybit link down below, guys. I'm going to be pumping videos for you today. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys on some more videos a little bit later. Hope you have a beautiful day ahead. Lots of love and light to you all. Blessings to you, wonderful souls.